The Sundpey 21V impact driver kit offers impressive torque, making it ideal for both professional repairmen and DIY enthusiasts tackling automotive repairs and mechanical maintenance. Equipped with a brushless motor, this impact driver provides powerful performance with quieter operation and longer service life, easily handling stubborn bolts and nuts. Two high-capacity 4-amp-hour lithium batteries ensure extended runtime, with a built-in power indicator to keep you prepared for long-term projects. Safety features like the motor and battery overload protection system prevent overheating and damage, allowing you to work efficiently and safely. The quick-release chuck design facilitates easy accessory changes, improving work efficiency without the need for additional tools. With 3 adjustable speed settings and 2 select modes, this impact driver allows you to tailor performance to your work needs, making mode conversion quick and simple.